And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 296. Let me show you the interface preferences. You can find them under Edit Preferences. It's the second option. If you are in the preferences, for example General, you will find it on the top left. First option is Color Theme. So this simply controls the overall brightness. Second, the dark gray is the default. I'm going to use that, and there's also a highlight color. This controls the accent color for selected items. I'll just stick to default. And then we have these 4 drop-downs for color and border. The standard screen is simply the normal Photoshop window, you could say. And then there's also a full screen. You can have that with menus or without. And then artboards. So this is basically the canvas. And you can change the colors for that right here. I like to keep the defaults. I think it's easiest on the eye. For presentation, we have the UI language. But it depends on what you've got installed. So in my case, I've only installed the English Photoshop version, so I cannot pick a different language here. But if you've installed more than one version, more than one language version, you can pick different ones right here. That's just a general interface language. The UI scaling controls the size of the menus, panels, icons, and buttons. And the UI font size stands for the menu and the panel text. This box below for scale UI to font. When it's on, so when it's checked, the UI elements scale proportionally with the font size. And when it's off, the font size changes independently of the UI element size. I like to keep that unchecked. And these are changes, as you can see, they are only active when you close Photoshop and restart it. Let's go over the options below. You have to show channels in color. When this is on, then the RGB channels display in their respective colors. And when it's off, the channels show as grayscale. There's a show menu colors, which I've got checked, and this simply means that menu items display the color labels. The dynamic color sliders, this updates the color sliders interactively as you adjust the values. I want to have that checked. And then there's a show simplified right click and flyout menus. These are the context menus, and these panel flyouts, they have a simpler and cleaner layout when this is on. So there are less options, but visually it's not that cluttered. And when you turn it off, you will see all of the details directly. I want to have that checked, because if I use flyouts, I already know what I want to do with it, and therefore I don't need all of these details showing. And these are the preferences under interface in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.